can't see what it looks like.
Is it even? Do you even hit play?
Is it? Wait.
I don't know.
Wait. Oh no. Oh, shit, I was in the back.
I can't get anything cute. Get anything cute.
Duck lips. Try duck lips. Welcome to the mukbang. I know. Birthday day. Birthday day. First bite.
First bite? I'm
That looks good. What is that?
chocolate lover. If I can get it, oh my god, please.
Is this strawberry ice cream? What is that?
Strawberry ice
I mean,
cream.
chocolate.
Oh my god, the two little cookie sticks.
All I'm getting so far is like mostly finished, but it's still good.
No, I got. That's what I got in my mouth. Pause. What not food go? What not food go? I'm gonna fall.
Oh my god.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I take it up.
Who's the chicken? The chicken?
Oh my god, it's ready.
Looks like lemon.
I'm sick of this one. Let me see the pretty.
Lemon sauce.
Ooh, okay, look at that. That's not cute. Let me ask you this. Please. Let me ask you. I got this for 2 snap photos. Otherwise, I just
Different. Okay, when we're using the back. When we're using the back, we don't know whether we're mukbanging, right? So we're not like, you know, it's more candid. Like, is that a good thing?
That's what it makes you do. But it makes you look so good.
Look at me. Wait. I can't see.
Not the hair fixing.
Oh, you're supposed to do that? Oh, I like ate the whole thing. I just like ate it.
Excuse me? You ate the paper.
No, like
No,
this.
what the fuck?
Wait, look at the photo now. Oh my god. It's mysterious. Yeah, we gotta like filter it every now and then. It looks so cute. It's so good. We don't finish my finals.
All in here? Well, actually, most of us are already in macros.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah. Doesn't that be fun though?
I would eat this again. I would. It's the best trip I had. Like the best and only trip I had.
Well then, it's kind of easy.
Who were you racing against? How are you already done?
That's all for the mukbang. Rate this 9.5 out of 10. Actually, yeah, 9 out of 10.
No, the 0.5.
Yeah, but they need more sauce.
Oh, true.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm Sam. This is good.
That's ice cream? That shit look like thick, super thick ice cream. Not gonna lie. Now I'm full.
I'm surprised I got you full.
Literally.
No, like, we have to like trade, you know?
No, it's okay. They're like mostly the same if you look underneath. It's just a change in protein and
Oh,
sauce.
for real? For me, the beef flavor is like really good. It's like, it wasn't a lot. But it has egg too. That was good.
Yeah, mine
I
has
think
egg.
beef would be better. I think beef is better.
I'm trying to figure out how to eat this crepe with the ice cream.
You just know.
It's hard to nom.
It's like-
and the nom is so big.
Unlock the jar or something.
Just give me pumpkin.
It's just banshee.
That when you bite it.
I would love a bite of yours. Oh, full.
Yeah, see, how much is left though of the money?
I never had savory crepes before. It's like a wrap. But like,
I thought you said a rat.
Oh, no.
What?
Rats?
You are a rat.
Let me not.
Damn.
Can I have the last bite?
I did all this after the last bite. I want to feel a little bit healthy because there's a few nuts in here.
I don't think this was worth $10. I'm gonna say.
Mine was worth $10.
Saying that in the shop.
And the amazing.
So you had $6 of it. That's all for the mukbang.
Oh, did you ever turn it off?
No, it's still going.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a long ass mukbang.